Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, welcome to another video. So I bought this Parkside Multi Sander, the PSS 200C2. It's a 200 watt machine with a 3-meter power cord. It has this sticky sanding pads, also on the top side, very convenient. Let's see if we can get into small spots, small corners with this. There is a dust extractor, dust collector here, and you can also attach it to a vacuum cleaner. It comes with a 3-year warranty. And on the back side, there is also a multi-language description, and your language will be there. I hope you can see it. Let's open it up. Of course, in the same hard plastic case, very strong, with the metal hinges and a strong handle. So let's open it up. There is a multiple language manual. Here you can see if your language is there. Has the sanding pads. And this is a P120. A P120. And a P120. The dust container. With the bag inside. 3-meter power cord. And the machine. You see it's sticky on top with the Velcro on the bottom. Looks very nice for just €8.99. So let's take a closer look. Here's the on and off button with a protected cover. There's the model number. Nothing special, but just let's see how it operates. This looks very strong. Let's give it a test. Before we start, we're gonna attach the sanding pads, match up the holes. The only thing I'm worried about, I think this is not a standard sanding pad. So I think you can only buy them at Lidl shop. I'm not sure. And one on top. Very nice. Let's take it outside for the test. So we are outside now. I have some piece of plywood. And I'm gonna sand it here and on that side. And also we're gonna see how it works. This way. So let's start. So that's very smooth, works fine. Now let's see how it gets into corners. And as you can see, you can take the whole corner, no problem. And of course easy for the small areas. And even on the top side. You can sand. Nice. And of course the sound test. And the maximum. So that was the test, short test. Well, this is very handy. You can also bring it up to the top and sand it in small spaces. It fits right between wood. Very handy. What can I say about it? It's a cheap tool and it vibrates a little bit. You're gonna feel that after a while, but for only $8.99, I think this is a perfect buy, a perfect tool. So I hope you like this video. Please give me a comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. It's very important for me that you like this video, so please hit that like button, and I hope to see you in next video. Thanks for watching.